Hi there, I'm Dan with Interplant Sales. We run a Blanchard number 11 grinder. It's a rotary surface grinder. It has a 15 horsepower motor on it. It's wired for 220 right now, 230. Could be wired to 460. It's got electromagnetic chuck. It's got power down feed, wrap it up and down. It's a low speed. Take this barrel and pick out. Got an amp gauge on there. Switch it, turn the chuck on and off. Push the chuck on there. Get down. Spindle's turned off right now, it's coasting down. It's got a lot of chuck life left in the magnet here. It's nearly new for its thickness. It's nice. If you have any questions, I guess call.